you're looking for a way to carry your pens around, but also a way to keep them handy on your desk, but you can't find something that's quite your style, take a look at this. Today we're unboxing the Back to the Land to-go cup from Esterbrook. This is Sarah Beth with Pen Chalet, and I already posted an unboxing of the fountain pens in this collection and talked about how amazing the packaging is and how thoroughly branded this collection is, and the to-go cups are similar in that way. I love the packaging, I love the branding. I also really like that the to-go cups reflect the same color combinations as the fountain pens in the collection. So you have the Incredible Rock, the Funky Lake, and the Corky Leaf. If you're already familiar with the to-go cups, you already know how this works, but they have this insert that you put in and spread it out to accommodate your pens. And of course it perfectly accommodates your Esterbrook SD fountain pens, but it will accommodate all your fountain pens of any size, shape, or color. Once you have your pens settled in there and you're done using them for the moment and you want to pack them up, you simply unfold the top part and there's a little snap on the side that you can close, and then you use the leather strips to kind of use it as a drawstring. And I like to tie a loose knot in it just to hold it. I don't think you really need to, but then you can do whatever you would like with this. I like to put it in my briefcase, but I've also been known to tuck one of these in my when I'm carrying a big purse. I toss it in my bag. Shop your Esterbrook Back to the Land to-go cups at penchalet.com now, and follow us at Pen Chalet.